Hey, you want to know how to make a 5-figure income in just 30 days with affiliate marketing? Let me show you how. Step 1, pick a profitable niche. Don't just go for anything. Use Google Trends or keyword tools to find out what's trending and in demand. Next, join affiliate programs that pay well. Look for high ticket items or digital products that offer big commissions. The bigger the payout, the faster you'll hit your goal. Traffic is key. Creating content on YouTube, blogs, or social media, or if you're got some cash, run paid ads, and don't forget to build an email list. Those subscribers are gold. Optimize, optimize, optimize. Make sure your landing pages are sharp with clear calls to action. Test different versions and see what converts best. Last but not least, track your results and scale your work. Reinvest your profits into more ads and expand into a new niche. That's the secret sauce to hitting the 5 figures for 30 days. Follow for more tips on making money online, and let's crush that 5-figure goal together. Remember, I have links in my bio to visit my YouTube channel and check out all the videos of affiliate niches. This is Scott. Peace out.